Welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments. I'm your host, Nancy Myrland with Myrland Marketing and Social Media. And I just wanted to make mention of some of the changes that are going on LinkedIn recently. I've seen some articles where people have been telling you that, or they've been advising people not to worry about these changes unless you turn creator mode on, and that you don't get these changes unless you have creator mode turned on. I've seen them say that about the cover video, the audio recording, the notification bell, and what I want you to know is that's not always true. I have not turned on creator mode yet, and I'll cover that in the future. I'm doing a little test. I will be turning it on shortly just to do some comparisons. But even without creator mode turned on, I still have everything that I just mentioned to you. I have the cover video or cover story. I have, the audio recording. I have the notification bell that I can turn on. The notification bell, I covered that in a video that's posted on LinkedIn and elsewhere about a month ago. And I think I shared that again just a couple days ago. But you could go to someone's profile, turn on the notification bell, and it lets you know when they post. So that's a really good business development tool for clients, potential clients, referral sources, media, etc. So if you want the link to that video, let me know, because I think that's a really important one. And a lot of reconfiguring of your profile sections. And I've seen all kinds of different thoughts about people assuming that those aren't going to happen until you turn creator mode on. And so I want you to know that's not true. And the reason I think this is important is that it may cause you to think, oh, okay, I haven't, or the lawyers I know have not turned on creator mode, so we don't have to worry about telling them about these changes. And I just want you to know that you should be paying attention to them, and I'm happy to help you with that. You should be paying attention to them because I don't have creator mode on, and I still have a lot of these changes. So don't be surprised if LinkedIn rolls some of them out to you or to other lawyers, even if you don't have creator mode turned on yet. All right, let me know if you have any questions. I'm at nancy@myrlandmarketing.com, and that's MYRLAND marketing.com, or that's my website too with all my contact information. All right, take care. Have a great week.